Welcome back everyone to another series of Mike on the Move. I am Mike, and today I'm in San Diego, my hometown. And when I'm in San Diego, I am always craving Mexican food. Today, I want to share with you one of my most favorite dishes, which is not technically a Mexican traditional food, but it does come from a taqueria. This is Carne Asada fries. Today, I'm going to highlight 3 places to check out when you're in San Diego, when you're craving Carne Asada fries. And if you don't know what Carne Asada fries are, you will learn in this video. Again, I'm going to share 3 spots to check out when you're in San Diego. Follow me. First up, let's check out the Taco Factory, located on El Cajon Boulevard in San Diego. All right, so our first place we're going to check out is the Taco Factory. I was highly recommended by my brother to check this place out. I'm one of the first ones to arrive here. It's about 12 o'clock. As you can see, they have an extensive menu, but I'm here for the Carne Asada fries, and here they call them Oh My God fries. You can see they have the surf and turf, they have the adobada and asada as a selection of the fries, but I'm going for the asada. Alright, so I just got my order of Carne Asada fries here at the Taco Factory. Let's check this plate out. Look at that. Wow. So I'm looking at cheese. I'm assuming that's Oaxacan cheese. I see some guacamole. I see a lot of red onions. So I'm gonna give this a try, and of course Carne Asada. Give this a try. Wow, that's really good. Oh man, I love these Carne Asada fries, but I quickly want to share with you more feedback about the Taco Factory. At first, I thought the prices were a little high, but to be honest, given the generous portion of the food, this is easily meant for 2 people. Again, I also love the fact that they actually added herbs, some onions, some great cheese, guacamole. The french fries were also really, really good and fresh. They take their time here with the food. So if you love fresh Carne Asada fries, check out the Taco Factory. Let me enjoy the rest of this plate. Next, I'm going to check out Sayulitas Mexican Food in Picador Boulevard in San Diego. Oh yeah, walking into Sayulitas definitely is a festive experience. Now, their menu here for Carne Asada fries is extensive, with well over 9 different options to choose from chipotle fries, to gyro fries, to Pac-Man fries, to hot Cheeto fries, but I'm gonna go with the rosy fries.
Yeah, that's better.
Alright, so now we're checking out Sayulitas Taqueria. There's many places like this in San Diego, and I just ordered the rosy french fries. There's a Carne Asada fries that has bacon, guacamole, sour cream, of course tons of cheese, and tons of french fries, all on top of a flour tortilla they can use as well. So let's try this out. Alright, so I'm gonna grab, I need a fork actually. I think I need a fork with this, but I'm gonna do it with my hands. Currently, I mean, it's pretty good. I would say it's pretty good, but I'm still loving that last place to check out. The Taco Factory is pretty good, but this plate easily fed 2 of us. The rosy french fries, again, has Carne Asada, guacamole, cheese, chipotle sauce, a ton of french fries, and of course, on a tortilla. The only downfall that I would say for this place is that I wish the french fries were higher quality. I really do love the french fries with any Carne Asada fries, and so for that reason, I would recommend to Sayulitas to improve the quality of the french fries to make it just that much more better. Up next, Tacos and Gordo, Palm Avenue in San Diego. All right, everyone, so I am back. I am now checking out my third location as I enjoy all the Carne Asada fries in San Diego. The third location is Tacos de Gordo. So I ordered a medium-sized Carne Asada fries. Here it is. Now, the fries here comes with, I believe I see some bacon, some Carne Asada. You see sour cream, some sour cream guacamole, tons of meat, tons of cheese, and of course, underneath all the fries. So one thing I'm looking for as I eat my fries, to see the juiciness of the meat. Here's a try. It's really good. The meat is really, really good here. I would tell you. Sometimes I really like the French fries in the Carne Asada fries. Sometimes I'm looking for the good meat. Sometimes I'm looking for the combination of all together in your mouth, but this is really good. The meat here is amazing. Now, of course, I always forget to put on salsa, but I'm gonna put some salsa on now to make this even better. All right, so one more bite, and I'll let y'all go and see me eat this later. That's really good. All right, so you recently checked out my 3 places in San Diego, and I encourage you to check out all 3 places I enjoyed today. This plate cost me about $8 for this medium-sized Carne Asada fries. Tacos El Gordo is definitely a traditional sort of taqueria Mexican restaurant. I highly recommend this establishment when you're in San Diego. In addition to Carne Asada fries, they have amazing tacos, a variety of tacos, and of course, delicious types of meat. Check this place out when you're in San Diego. All right, there you have it. 3 places I recommend to check out when you're craving Carne Asada fries in San Diego. And I understand there's a ton of places that offers Carne Asada fries throughout San Diego. And if I missed the place you love, please comment below and I will check out that place when in San Diego. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Mike on the Move so I can keep you posted on my latest videos and adventures. See you all soon.